everybody. Thanks for coming to my YouTube channel. And my name is Timothy Galloway. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please punch smash that like. And please share this video for everybody. And please punch the bell. You can get every videos I make every day. Okay. And I'm fit to show you a video. And the video is going to be about the 90-minute challenge, the affiliate marketing. And this is a good video. I'm gonna show y'all a video and how it works. If y'all want to sign up, then y'all can sign up. But this is how it works. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, we go. And this, okay, I'm gonna show y'all a video after I play it. Okay.
And would you believe that 81% of affiliate marketers make less than $200 per month? It's not even enough to pay for a monthly car payment and cell phone bill. Now listen, a few extra bucks each month would be just fine. But imagine what would happen if you lost your job tomorrow, or something crazy like a worldwide pandemic shut everything down. What if you had to support yourself and your loved ones with nothing but your affiliate commissions? Hi, my name is Brian Brewer, and right now I'm frustrated by two things. First, affiliate marketing is easier today than it has ever been before, yet most folks are making $0 per month. And second, there's so much hype and BS that gurus are selling online about affiliate marketing. That is why this video that you're watching right now, I'm putting everything in black and white. No hype, crazy income claims, or earnings screenshots, because you deserve to know the truth, the real way to get results. So here's the deal. For the last 6 years, I've supported my family with the affiliate commissions I'm earning every single day. It's really cool, and even better than the money, I enjoy the time freedom. But remember, I haven't always been one of the top super affiliates in this space. As a matter of fact, far from it. Not long ago, I was struggling. I was working 60 hours a week in the restaurant industry. I barely had any time to spend with my family. And every day, I felt like I was on the verge of failure. So as you can clearly see, I'm not some super stud ninja marketer. I'm probably a lot like you. I'm just an ordinary guy who happened to figure out the formula. And today, I'm able to make a consistent, semi-passive income online with affiliate marketing because I know what I call the success principles of affiliate marketing. And I've been able to share these success principles with countless men and women, some of whom have been able to go on and quit their jobs and even exceed 6 figures in a single year. Because these success principles are so powerful, I knew I had to share these principles with as many folks as possible, including you. And because I didn't want finances to stop anyone, I decided to create this 90-minute affiliate challenge. Because I believe that once you know the real strategies that the top 1% of affiliates are using, then maybe you will make a lot more money online. Now, can you imagine what it would be like to walk away from your 9-to-5 job forever? Listen, I can't do the work for you, but I can give you the keys to unlocking financial freedom. And because I actually make money online as an affiliate marketer, I'm going to do something that is completely unheard of. Instead of charging you a bunch of money for this course, I'm going to give it to you for free. But before you click the button below this video to register your free account, I need to ask you one question. Even though I'm not charging a single dime for this course, is it okay if I over-deliver? See, in this training, you are going to learn more about affiliate marketing than you have anywhere else online. And I'm going to give it to you for free, as long as you promise to watch the videos so you can take action and change your life. Is that a fair deal? If you can commit to engaging with the training and playing full out, you can learn how to create a life that you desire and you deserve with your affiliate commissions. And learn how to go from an affiliate newbie to becoming a super affiliate earning a full-time income online. Start today by clicking the button below this video and registering for the free 90-minute affiliate challenge. Here's the catch. You actually have to watch the training in order to learn how to become a super affiliate. See, my life will not change if you watch the training or not. But for you, everything can change the moment you start implementing the quick start principles revealed inside the 90-minute affiliate challenge. Click the button below this video to register your complimentary account right now.
Okay, everybody, this is how it works. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Like, all you have to do, fill in your name and your address, your email address. You put in, and then all you have to do, you go in, and you punch the next, and then you get a free account. You sign in like that. Sign in, then you in. Okay, this is how the program work, how the program look like. This is how that, all that. Okay, and then you just watch that video. It's a free account. You just sign up, and if you like this video, please share this video, please like this video, and I got a link below, 90 minutes challenge, and it's affiliate marketing. If you want any more information about it, just send a message to me, and I will respond to you. Okay, and I will be there for you if you have any other question about it. Okay, for watching this YouTube channel video. Thank you. Bye.